Welcome back to the channel for another install video on our 22 WRX. Let's jump right to the bench and I'll show you what we're doing today. Over here at the bench you see we have our Noble Performance rain guard set. So I have the fronts on the bottom and the rears on the top. So I do like these. These are just a 3M on. They have this little foam padding here, and there is a little bump out on the mold, so it's easy to line it up on the car. Another 3M foam right here at the bottom too. So let me get you guys set up and we'll get this passenger side put on. Just like that, the first one is on. Looks really good, perfect fit all the way around. So let's get it closed right in. That's perfect there. So get you guys set up and we'll get this back one done. And just like that, our passenger side is done. You can see it's a perfect fit all the way around. So you see when I installed it, obviously the window's down, I had the door open. It was really easy to get on both sides, make sure it was like aligned perfectly. And with it closed, I mean, it does just line up right there. So that's like the normal gap. So obviously it doesn't hit or anything like that or interfere. So super easy to put on. Like I said, it's just 3M taped on. Perfect fit. So let me just get the other side wrapped up and we should be all done. And just like that, driver's side is done. Fitment was perfect. Just like the other side, it has this little like bump out, so literally impossible to mess it up. And then it just goes perfect right along the top. So there you go. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. Super easy install with these Noble Performance rain guards. So be sure to subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. We got more to come. Till next time.